You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this boxer, better known as Muhammad Ali, American boxer. If you want to learn more names from boxing, make sure to stay tuned. We've got them all. So that's his real name, original name, Cassius. Yes, I know. In Latin, it's more Cassius, but that's how he would have said it. That's how he said it. Cassius Clay, named after Cassius Marcellus Clay, a Republican politician from Kentucky in the 19th century. Cassius Clay. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.